Now we're going to head over to Housecall Pro, create a job, and sync it with Ply. Here is my Housecall Pro dashboard, and I'm going to click on New, Job. I'm going to pick my customer. I'm going to fill in my line items. Add some materials. Schedule it. And save job. Now that job is created, we're going to head over to Ply. Refresh the job section. And sync Housecall Pro. You can see here we have a new job. And this is our service call job that we just created over in Housecall Pro. You can see it's brought over all of the materials as well, and the barcodes associated with these 3-inch PVC 90. If we go into our stock location, we'll be able to see that material has also been created within Ply. So now when your technicians go to use Ply and edit this job, they can make a direct material attribution from their warehouse or the truck that they're operating.